There are other great features you can perform and set from the watch as well, like automatic step counting. Knowing the importance of an active lifestyle, the watch automatically counts your child's daily steps. Tap History to see the results over the last week, or tap the gear icon to set daily step goals, or choose to deactivate the step counter. On your phone, go to the Activity Center on the app to display step count for today, this week, or this month. Your child can have fun by selecting their favorite watch face. Touch and hold the watch screen to change the current watch face. Slide left to right to display watch face options and tap Select. Your kids can play games on the watch too. Tap the game icon on the watch menu and select the game you want to play. Through the Daily Planner on the phone, you can activate, deactivate, and configure school mode and limit or prevent your child from playing games at set times, like during school, dinner time, and bedtime, for example.